Hi, my name is Olivia Slaughter. I'm a certified prosthetist orthotist with Real Life Prosthetics. We have a video now talking about signs it's time to have your prosthesis adjusted by a prosthetist. The first thing is, I've said many times, I always encourage people to try out prosthetic socks to fill their socket, to change the fit, make it feel better. But if you get to the point where no matter what sock thickness you're using, things are just getting worse, it's time to see a prosthetist and have it adjusted. Also, if you're getting into 10 ply, 15 ply of prosthetic socks, it's probably time to have a new replacement socket made, one that's smaller. It's very normal for amputees to have many sockets as their limb matures over the years. So if you get to a lot of socks, it's probably time to have a new one. The second thing that we'd consider a sign that it's time to have your prosthesis adjusted would be redness that wasn't happening before, but now it's happening and it's lasting more than 20 minutes when you take the device off. Most redness inside of a prosthetic socket, we'd want it to fade. Just like when you take your socks off, you've got the line from the edge of the sock, but it goes away and it's not very bothersome. Third thing would be new sensations to the alignment of the device, or again, new pain that wasn't there when your device was first delivered. There are some wear items on a device. We'd want the device to be looked at by a prosthetist every 6 months, just to make sure things are nice and tight and it's still fitting you well. Last thing we have is, if your supplies are just getting old, it could be time to get more supplies. If your supplies are over 6 months old, it could be time to pull those supplies out of your closet and start using them, or get new supplies from a prosthetist. That's all I got for you for tips about when it's time to adjust or replace your prosthesis. If you have any questions, give our office a call, or you can comment on this video. We've got 5 offices across Maryland and Delaware. We'd be happy to work with you. Have a good one. Bye.